just remind every day to record the session. So I'm just recording right now. Okay. All.
Okay.
So till yesterday, what is the difference between these two charts? Can anybody give me the confidence?
Uh,
What kind of chart is these two?
which charts? Maybe.
Oh, sorry, I'm not shared my screen yet. Okay. So the charts you are seeing on my screen. What is the type of these charts?
bar chart.
Okay. Now these two are the bar charts. Now, can you see any difference between these two charts? What are the property difference?
The
This is
top
also
one
bar
is a
chart. This,
quality and product.
That is the quantity and the color.
yes.
And here we mentioned that quantity. Here we mentioned that revenue.
Yeah, that's fine. I mean, here the chart properties are different based on the parameter like revenue and quantity, and
Yeah,
also the
yeah,
color
yeah,
is varying just because of I have segregated the products by
yeah.
by product color.
Color.
Okay,
Yeah, yeah,
here I have segregated the product by quantity color. Okay, by
yeah.
quantity. So quantity I have applied the quantity in color by. So that's why the block which you have, which have higher quantity, it will be darker. The part which you have
Yeah.
lower quantity, it should be less darker. So it should have the color density will increase or decrease based on the requirement, based on the volume of the data. And here it is not varying based on the volume of data, rather it's varying the type of the data products. Okay, so that's why the color is
Okay.
having multiple.
Okay.
So as I told, when you are creating a dashboard, you need to focus on a particular dimension or measure. So what is dimension? These are the attributes are the dimensions are, and
Matrix.
matrices
Matrix.
are
Yeah.
the measures. Perfect.
Measures.
Okay. Or also matrices are y-axis or dimensions or attributes
Attributes
are
are the
x-axis.
x-axis.
Perfect.
X-axis.
You all are going well. Okay. Now you, what are the things you have to change initially? First you change the product, add the dimension and measures or matrix and attributes, and change the format. So here you have to change the number format like this. Instead of automatic, you can make it fixed.
Fixed.
If it is fixed, you will show you the number. Sorry, instead of 1000, the revenue will show in yeah. So it is
Yeah.
showing the how currency revenue. Okay, quantity definitely it will be integer, but revenue can be in dollar. Now it's looking good, and also change the title. It's product wise revenue. How to change the title? Just go to select this down arrow, click this down arrow,
Rename.
rename it product wise or revenue. Okay. Okay. Now today, so you all clear about the charts, bar charts. Okay.
Yeah.
Uh, today we will see, and also the bar chart can also have a different format. Say in order to make it happen, let's just duplicate this. Select, duplicate. Here I can add with the product. So I can add say. customer name I will add. I'll have multiple dimensions. This looks more good, right? This is also a type of
Yeah,
bar chart, right? So as I told yesterday, that it looks like 10 charts here, 10 objects, but by changing the properties you can create numerous type of charts, okay, which will look beautiful. These charts will say, I will change the orientation like this. I'll do, or else I can make it horizontal also. These are the products, and these are the product names, okay. Here you can see the product names on the top, and these are the customers of individual products. Every customer have purchased some of the products, so for this particular product this is a customer, and you can also stretch it a bit so that to give a better look. Or else instead of product, say if you want to geographically define the customers, I'll just remove the product name. I have a customers, I will define the customers, okay. I want city wise customers, and I'll give the product customer name as a color type. I think the data relationship is not good here. In this case, product was good because against one product there was many customers on that. I will add the product name here. Yeah. Now I've got this product name, and against this product, what were the sorry I got this customer names. Against this customer, what this customer buy, which product, and how many products they have buy. They made the revenues. You can see this. So this color you are seeing is the customer wise color, right? If you want to make it product wise color, also you can drag the product name to color panel.
Okay.
And I want to make it more beautiful. I want to make this chart more beautiful. Let us just remove this KPI. This looks nice. I will just remove the first one. Okay. Now if anybody asks that this KPI is having the customer and product wise revenue, right? You're seeing the product wise revenue group by customer. Now I want to add another measure here. One measure is I have revenue. I want to add quantity. I want to add how many products have how many quantity. Then what you have to do, just drag the quantity
Just
to the
drag them into
vertical
vertical.
and
vertical
vertical.
again. It will be more beautiful. Yes. If you want it more looks more critical and more beautiful, you'll also can form it. Say revenue quantity is there. Now I will add a selling price. Yes. Now it's looking better. Okay. Uh, let's squeeze it a little bit. Looks nice. MicroStrategy is so powerful to make the visualizations in any different styles. Whoever will see these charts will be impressed. How the color is here like this. Is the selling price by analysis, quantity by analysis, and revenue by
Quantity.
analysis. Revenue by analysis. Okay. So if you want to make them different colors, say color by what I will give here, product number, product name. You'll be having a lot of products, so a lot of colors would be there in the chart. Okay. Just
So we can add a number of number of attributes or number of measures, right?
right, right.
Okay.
See, every chart has a minimum prerequisites for attributes and measures. If you
Okay.
can add those prerequisites, on top of that you can add many. Say for example, you need one dimension and one measure, one attribute and one matrix to draw a bar chart. Okay.
Okay.
You need one dimension and one matrix to draw a bar chart. But this is a minimum requirement. And if you could draw it, then you can add more numbers of attributes, more number of measure matrices to see somebody else was there in the meeting. Okay. To make the chart in a different style. See, particular bar chart has a very different faces. See, this is a particular bar chart. It's little simple. Okay, based on the color density it's going. Now this particular bar chart is having more beautiful with the more different color by product names. Now this chart is become so complex and so beautiful, right? Based on the product name,
Yeah.
you can make it. What happened? I just stretched anything or what? Yeah. Okay. Now this is good. Now all you have to do is you need to change the uh, this axis text. So right click, condense label, uncheck the condense label. Okay, selling price would be in this format. Quantity is okay. Now here it is
Okay.
swing in thousands.
Okay.
That means become squeezed.
Yeah.
So if you just make it, uncheck it, condense label, it will be also having the format like this.
So
Now the revenue, selling price, those are currencies. If you want to show them in money, it will look much better, and quantity could be quantity. I will
quantity.
say I will take the I'll first put the quantity, second I want to put the selling price, third on the bottom I want to put the revenue. Okay,
Revenue.
so just bring the revenue to at the bottom
Down.
down,
Okay.
right?
Yeah.
Now this is quantity should be in quantity, make the selling price in this way. First we need to rename the fields in order to give it a functional name. So selling price, just give a space, and just number format, go to number format. Okay, instead of
Okay.
automatic, just make it currency or fixed. If you don't want to
Okay.
mention in dollar also, just make it fixed. Now you can apply dollar, you can apply any other symbol as well. Use the thousand
Okay.
separator and if you want to have some decimal points, increase decimal or decrease decimal. If you want to one decimal, then you should add 1. If you want to add more than one decimal, 2 decimals, 2 times. Okay.
2. Okay.
Now okay, that looks much better. Got it? 1000 separatory is there and dot dot is there. If they would be having any decimal calculation, those decimal points will also be shown. However, I don't want the decimal right now, so I will just decrease the decimal. Okay, 0.
0.
1000 separatory can be there. Okay, so let us give this chart name. What the name we can give a better way? First, change the title. It's a big chart, so let us not add any other KPI to this frame. Okay, rename product versus revenue versus uh,
Quantity.
Sell.
so yeah, uh, stock versus sales. Selling price is sales, right? Versus
Yeah,
Yeah.
revenue.
yeah.
This is revenue analysis. Okay. Now, what type of analysis you'd made? Customer name and product name. Don't want to put it. So make it more beautiful. Just keep the product, not product name, product name. Okay. As we are going this, doing this dashboard for our real-time projects. Once I'll develop also, I will share with you so that you can show your employer or interviewer. So let us make it in a proper way. Okay. Now it is good. Okay. Yes. So I would name the dashboard name also. Product overview was done. Now let's say same thing. Stock.
So,
Because I think I cannot name the stock sales. Revenue overview.
okay.
This is revenue overview. Okay, good. Now let us create visualizations with a report. Okay, let us create an intelligent report. Bar chart is done. I may have a different type of other colors also. Now it was the basic
Yeah.
property about bar chart. Now let us work with the next chart is grid chart. Okay. First of all, you have to
Actually, I
split.
got it out.
Yeah, sure, please.
Yeah. Now you in the stock versus sales versus revenue overview, you took some attributes and some metrics, right?
Yeah.
So just you pick it, or in real time we had to do all. We had to include all attributes and all metrics, or only some we had to do in real time.
See, the business user would just tell you that I need this graph. Okay, I need a graph like this. They would have take a reference, or they would give you the reference in pen and paper. Now they would give you the table. This. Okay. Now it's your independent decision. How do you bring the data? Okay, you have to model the data like this. You need to select the attribute or matrices as per your requirement based on the KPI, and if any attribute is missing or matrix is missing for KPI, you can also add it from the database. Okay. And based on the business requirement, you have to add it. Nobody would
So we
tell
have
you
to,
that how many
yeah.
KPIs, how many attributes or matrices you have to add. Based on the KPI requirement, you have to go with the reverse engineering.
Okay, so we need not to take all attributes and all matrices, right? If you want to show the report of any data.
Yeah, yeah. You don't have to
Okay.
take, so whatever you need in your data model first initially with the minimal requirement, you can take them, right? And later on, if you are requiring them into the reports, you can drag it up, or you can add it in an iterative way. Okay. So I would not suggest initially don't take all these attributes or matrices to the data model, otherwise it will slow down your applications. Definitely,
Okay.
unless until you don't need it, okay, into the uh, applications, why should you just load unusual fields, right? Only use the useful
Okay.
fields.
Okay. Okay.
Okay. So everybody clear about the bar chart. Now let's move on to grid chart and prepare a beautiful report. Okay.
Okay.
Grid chart. Say first when you come, and this would be also a big chart. I will I will take this one as a saying, single visualizations. I will name it as a report. Customer product report. Product. Okay. This cannot be considered as a normal chart itself. It can be looks like a report. Okay. Click this grid chart first. Now let's add what geographically I would add country. I would add country. I'd have to add it in the column, right?
Columns.
Yes. Sorry, on rows. Yeah. Now I will add a state right here. I will add cities. Now I would add product quantity first to the column,
Columns.
to the matrices. Okay. You have to add it in matrix because column means it would be again a different way. So it would be represented in this way, not in this way. Okay. Now we are
Okay.
representing our data in horizontal way, right? So we are adding it
Right.
to rows. I think everybody clear about how to represent column and rows, right?
Yes,
Rows
sir.
means definitely horizontally the data would be growing, and column means vertically the data will be growing. I don't want these data; those are there to be grown vertically like this. It will grow like this. Okay. Quantity one attribute is there. I mean one field is there. Now I will add say ED is the purchase price. I'll change it. Discount. Okay. Quantity first, then selling price, then revenue. Revenue to the last column, and say discount. Okay. Oh, sorry. But selling price and purchase price is a price after discount. Okay. I'll have to price post after discount. Right? So selling price and I have to add the price after discount. And add the discount just middle to here. That's it. Okay. Now this I'll have to add the customer name and product name. Customer name would be added after the city, and product name, because we are getting all these matrices for the product only, right? Okay. Product name. So there are many products for against a particular uh,
Country,
customer.
state.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. Now it's look ugly. Okay. We need to make it beautiful. So just first go to change the format of this numerics values. Okay. Now how to change the
Okay.
format? Just
Just
click
right
here,
click on.
number
Okay.
format,
Yeah.
In the format.
make it fixed. Let us not apply dollars and all. Let's make it fixed.
Okay.
Let us discount. Discount also be fixed. Number format fixed. Discount, say give it in a percentage. How many percent of discount is there? It's not like this is 9 or
Yeah.
right. So it's going wrong. So let's make it fixed. I'll apply a discount in percent. Apply discount percent. Yeah. Okay. Now price after discount. Student limit. And number format fixed. That's it. Let us remove the discount from here. The revenue fixed. That's it. Okay. Now I have to track the product name, so that should not be in two lines. Okay, in single line should be there, uh, because they are having product names a little long. Now the customer name also has to be stretched a little bit. City. Okay, as long as your field will have you're having a horizontal scroll bar. Okay, no issue. You can add as many number of fields. Okay, now a report looks somewhat complete. This is a complete table. Now you can add it, have some more beautiful features. Say I want some partial sum. Partial sum means I want these are the products. I want product wise total. I want say for this customer, I want customer wise total quantity, customer wise total selling price, customer wise total say price after discount, and revenue. Okay. So how do you do it? Just select it. So total. Okay.
Okay.
So either you can show total, minimum, maximum, count, or anything. Okay, so just I'm going to show total. It will look more beautiful. Got it? The
Yeah.
customer. Here
Yeah.
we're getting the total of all these customers. Okay, total of price, total of selling price, all those things. This is not looking good. Let's make it purchase price, and selling price. That's it. Okay. Now we should bring the purchase price to first and selling price to last. So bring selling price to here. Okay. Okay, got it. Now I want the total city wise total. Okay. I want to show on a city, on a single city. See, this is a city. On a city, I have one customer, but I have another city. Say commerce. Commerce city has two customers, so I can get the total of the city also. So just select it. So total. Okay.
So if we update near one customer, it updates to all other customers.
Yeah.
If we update total for only one customer, if we update for one customer, it
Yeah.
automatically updates
No,
all
I'm
the
not.
customers.
I'm not updating for one customer. I'm just selecting on the particular
Uh,
field level. We cannot do. We cannot
okay, okay.
give the total to a single customer. Okay. I'm just
Yeah, yeah,
changing the
okay.
total to the entire column. Okay.
Okay.
Now state wise. I want to show the state wise total. So total. Okay, that's it. Let us not make it more clumsy. Just okay. Now this has become one simple report. I have to make it more beautiful with more. See, are you able to find out what is the highest revenue product? Even if looking to this report, how soon you can find out? You have to drill all these data, and even if in this same window also, in the same frame, same window, how it is difficult to find out the highest revenue customer. You have to match everything, right, from top to
Yep.
bottom, right? But
Yeah.
the
Yeah.
thing is, if you represent it in visually attractive format, it will be more easier for you or even a layman to find it very easily. That yes, this is the highest revenue customer. How do you do it? This chart is called highlighting effect. Okay, I'll have to highlight it. Let's see. First of all, I would like to see the highest stock product. Again, in that case, if you'll find this as a highest stock, now if you'll go up this, you find again this is as a highest stock. This is also second highest. So you have to match every text with every other. Now, if you just do like this, drop down, apply threshold. Okay, threshold is a color highlighting effect. Okay, so you would have color range from yellow to orange. Apply threshold. Okay. Now, what is the highest color? What is the highest stock?
305.
Stock. Very easily, your eye is going to these two, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
But if you just not, if you just clear the threshold, you have to again, you have to find out manually one by one, right?
Yeah.
So it's very easy if you go for apply a visual representations. You can apply a threshold like this. You can also make it in a different color. Say lower threshold, lower volume of data will have yellow color, and highest volume of data would have a red color, and rest of other intermediate data would have the intermediate color from yellow, dark yellow to orange to red. Okay,
Okay.
and if you want to make the color highlighting also in different ways, different colors, so instead of orange you can, and also if you want to make the quantity, whichever is the highest quantity is showing in red. I don't want so. I want in my stock, if the quantity is becoming less, it would be highlighted in red. Okay, if the quantity uh, is enough in my stock, it would be in green. Okay, then in that case I'll have a red, yellow, green, or maybe uh, yes, red, yellow, green. Then I will just bring it to the quantity. If say I can define, if the quantity is 70% and enough, more than 70%, then yes, I am assured that yes, I have enough stock. Okay,
Okay.
I can just drag this threshold like this, and if my quantity is going below say 10%, it would be showing red, or if it's going below 20% from the total quantity, it would be red, and rest of other quantities is very stable. Okay, in that case I can apply. Okay, apply. It will show you the color in red, green and yellow, and green means I have enough quantity, red means less. You can make it reverse. The higher quantity can also be red and lower quantity can be green. See, become the higher quantity, which is 305 and all, has become red, and lower quantities become green. Okay. You can make it reverse also. Stock is becoming less
Lower
means
will
your quantity will be becoming red.
yes.
So very easily from a dashboard, being a entrepreneur, you can take the decision. Are you able to take the same decision with these rows, with these columns?
Yeah.
Yes.
No. I mean, this is very useful to take the decision that yes, my quantity is going below 20%. It's 4. Immediately purchase this stock product. Okay, or procure this product. And are you able to take the same kind of decision on top of these columns?
Yeah.
You can take, but it will be difficult for you.
Difficult.
Right,
Yeah.
looking the simple, simple text. But if you highlight it in these colors in visually attractive format, immediately your eye is going to the all red colors, right? Those red color quantities are there. I'll have to make them green or yellow by procuring more product, right? Accordingly, selling price. I'll make the selling price say threshold. I'll apply the threshold. Let's make it this. Purchase price. Threshold here. Okay. Now this. So here's become my quantity. Here's become my quantity means I have to maintain always the stock with me. So red, green, yellow is okay for me, and purchase price is okay. Selling price is okay. I can count this. Yes, these are the purchase price. These are the highest purchase price and these are the lowest purchase price. Now from these reports in revenue, I want my revenue is growing or getting down, or it is in neutral conditions. In that case, I cannot just show like this. I have to show the arrows, just like share market. If the revenue is going up, you should have a up arrow, green color. If this revenue is going down, it should go down or in red color. Okay, and if it's going streamline, it should be in yellow color. So you have another threshold also. apply the threshold. Just change the color based on image based. Okay. So if it is red color, if it's going down to say 20% revenue, then you can make it arrow down. If it is this, then if it is going up, say if it is 60% and plus, then it is good. Okay, apply. Okay, how does this looks?
It's good.
Looking good, and this analytics also
Excuse me,
looking.
sir. Can you repeat again?
Which one? This one.
Yeah. Repeating.
Okay, just select this column. Okay,
Yes, sir.
go to threshold. Instead of color base, initially it would be in color base. You can change it to image based.
Okay, got it, sir. Thank you.
Okay, and you can change your range, on which range you want to show the red or green or yellow. Okay, apply.
Sure. Yeah. So you are keeping like a 60%, 70%, right?
Yeah, I'm making this
Hello.
green color
Yeah.
as 60%. 60%.
Yeah. How can you like? How can we know that it will be like we can make 60%, or simply we have to analyze?
No, no, you have to simply analyze, or that's what the business requirement.
Okay.
Okay, so say your
Okay.
business user
Okay.
tell that so this down arrow as if it is going below 10%, you have to offset here. And also, they
Okay.
if they want not to show the arrow, but to show some other icons. Okay, then you can just apply it and come down here. Instead of these, you know, um, arrows, just click on this arrow and change the image. How can you change the image? You will put some images here in the source folder. Say I will
The
first,
source folder.
yeah. I told you in the first session what is the use of these folders, right? First
Yeah. Yeah.
I'll Google it out. I'll have some better, icons. Say arrow. Images. It's been so long icon. Arrow, PNG. And I just go to search tool. Have some size icons. Exactly you have to define. Says 16 by 16. So you'll get a more good icon. So this is up, another should be down. So anything you can choose from here and can put it here. So say if it is reverse, if it is in loss, then I want to show this. I want to show this icon. So maybe if it is in progress, I will show this icon. If it's doing well, progressing, I will show this icon. Save image. Here. So I will just bring this image to here in this folder, and I'll just save this image to my, never save anywhere else. Okay,
Okay.
just save it in your source folder. Save progress. Okay, now this path I can copy. Just copy this path put another slash, and you'll get this entire link of this image. Okay, copy this. Everybody following? Am I not going faster?
Yes.
Yeah, yeah.
Okay, after.
No, sir. It's okay.
Okay, okay. So select this and go here. If you want to change the progress instead of green, you want to make the progress as, say, instead of green, I want to make it this side. Sure. Instead of green, select it. Put it here. Instead of green, just click the image and put the image path right here. Okay,
Okay.
and okay, here we got the new image. How beautiful it is! Interesting.
Yes.
Now it's looking more beautiful. And instead of a red color also, now it's progressing. You can see it's progressing. Or any other color, if it's going down, then you can have some effects. Yeah, this one. Going lost. Only details are going lost. So that is normal. You can apply this. Okay. Now these three images I want. This is normal. I can save it here. What I can see? Progress. It's standard. Standard. Progress. And one was lost. Yeah, this one. So this is for loss. Maybe this. Maybe this is for loss. Now this report will look more good because it's blue effect. And now for loss, just copy slash not png. Okay, now png, just copy this part and go here. Now how to put it? Can anybody tell me? If you have followed, just select in this column. Threshold for loss instead of red, just change apply and click on this image and put it here. Everybody following? And okay. And that's down now. Now for progress, normal progress, you can better come here, standard,
Standard.
standard
Of
PNG.
PNG. What is the meaning of PNG?
PNG is image file format.
Sorry?
PNG is image file format, just like JPG.
Your voice is not audible.
Just like JPG, PNG is an image file format. How many type of images
Oh,
we
okay.
have? GIF, PNG, right? BMP. So likewise, PNG is also a file format. Okay. Now, for progress, I can just put it this.
Push it.
Click. Okay.
Yeah.
This is looking more beautiful, right?
Yeah. So what is wrap text?
Sorry, wrap text means if anything going, if your header would be very long, okay, say a revenue wise something, it would be a very long, then you can wrap it so it would come to the next slide. Okay, it will not go beyond that. Say in Excel, the same thing as Excel. So if you're writing anything, okay, now it's gone beyond this cell, right? This cell
Yes.
data has gone to this. Now if you just select this and wrap text, what will happen? It will just wrap. It will just
Okay.
squeeze inside there. So the same thing in the
Okay.
matrix. Okay. Now everybody clear with this report?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yes, sir. I'm clear.
Sorry, come again.
I'm clear, sir.
Okay, great. Now let's have this heat map. Okay, we'll do the heat map and control today. So you need a practice actually. This looks easy, but when you be able to create by yourself, I would say that yes, you have confidence. By looking, it might be looking easy. Okay, let's create another chart called heat map analysis. So what is heat? I mean, as this color is also having some heats. Whenever you have the data is heated very highly, it is going red or very less green, right? Likewise, heat map also will show the density of the data in different colors and in different blocks. In some other tools, say in ClickQ, it is called as a block chart. In Tableau, it is called as tree map. But in MicroStrategy, it is called as heat map. Okay.
Okay.
So various naming conventions are there in various technology. In Tableau, it is called a heat map. But don't pronounce in heat map in case of Tableau or another uh, tool. Okay. Now I want city-wise customers, city-wise customer count. Let's say I want city-wise revenue. Select this and city. Double click on this. There are a lot of city I'm getting, and then just revenue. Add the revenue into size by. Size by means it's, you have size by and you have color by. Size by means the more you have the revenue, the more you have the block size. Okay, just like this. And color by, if you want to give the color by say city, then every city will have the different color. Okay, you can also remove the color by.
Once can you say what is size pay?
Okay, size by means the more it is showing the blocks, right? Here is various blocks.
Yeah.
Okay, so the more you have the volume of the data, the revenue, the more you have the block size. Say,
Okay.
say revenues are not
Okay.
so very distinct in size. I will are the quantity. Quantities are pretty much distinct. Now, if I'll just remove the color by, so all these blocks are becoming uh, size by bigger and smaller based on the quantity. So quantities data is also very much less comparative. I mean, I want some data from 10 to 5000, then you'll get variations in the size. So say selling price, let's see the selling price of the data. Yes, so somewhat it is some variations there, 90,000 to 1,000, 1,60,000. Okay. Now minimum is 0 to 10%, maximum is 90 to 100%. So the more you have the selling price or the sales is the highest bigger block. This block is looks bigger, and the more you have the sales is having the green color. The less you have the sales is having the small block and
Red color.
red color. Okay. Very easily
Okay.
your eye will go to the these blocks and it will be in different colors. Now just change the title. You are saying the selling price color to the title is here. So how do you change the number format here? Okay. You cannot
Just
change
right click.
the no. You cannot change the number format here. Okay.
Okay.
So you have to go to right here. Change the number format.
Number format.
Okay. Got it?
Okay.
Again selling price. And selling price also you can rename it. So this becomes space. City-wise selling price. Now, if we just add mm, country also here, or add the country on top of the city, then it will be getting more blocks and one country should have more cities. First we'll add country on top, then group by city. Austria, Bermuda, Israel, Rome, all those things. Individual countries have individual cities. So this is a country Austria. Austria has
Okay.
2 cities
Two.
in the
Two
database.
cities.
Okay.
Okay.
Now, now like this, I have only one country and one city in these scenarios. It's not looking good. But if one country would have many cities, then you would get a more you know actions. You can do like this. So country, one country, Austria. Austria has a 2 cities, and two
Two
cities.
cities.
The production is very high. I know comparatively good here. Production is sales is very less here.
Yeah.
Let's rename it here as sales. Sales. Country sales. You can make it like this, and also you can duplicate it and make it in a different way. So just remove the country from here. So country from here, and change the visualization colors. This is looking good. So what we can name it? Say uh, state wise.
This is.
Cells.
Okay.
I'll give you a country wise cells. Though I am getting
Okay.
state also, but I want to display country wise cells. So I'll give here uh, sales by region.
Okay.
See, naming convention and categorization of your KPIs are also very useful. Sales by region means there must be country, sales and product states. Okay, so now if you want to see the dashboard from a business perspective, for the presentation mode, now let's see it's looking good or not. Yeah, it's looking good. Product wise revenue, and here we have product wise stock. This is looking more good. Stock versus sales versus revenue analysis. So what we learned today, this chart,
Yes.
multi-dimensional, what we can call it as a multi-dimensional or multi-measure chart. Okay. So though it is a bar
Okay.
chart, so how do you elaborate it? It is multi-dimensional or multi-measure chart. I have various measures here. One measure is stock, another measure is sales, another measure is revenue. And dimensions
Revenue.
are customer and product. This look more nice. And what we can call it? Report. Okay. A report with heat map. This is also can be called as a heat map or highlighter. A report with various heat map and conditional. Some people call it as a conditional formatting. Okay, we can it is called as a conditional report with conditional formatting.
Okay.
It's a very good report, and this has become my heat map. So I think it is enough for today. Did you able to get all those things, or any doubt you have? I don't want to go very fast so that whatever I'll teach, everybody should be understand. So today we'll develop these 3 dashboards, and tomorrow we'll move on to other new charts. First 3 visualizations are completed. Okay. Grid chart,
Yeah.
It,
heat map, and
a heat
bar.
map and
Bar.
Bar chart.
Okay. Tomorrow we'll go with the line, area chart, bubble chart. These 3 will represent in various different manner. With these 3 charts, I can create 10 charts, 10 different charts. Okay. So just like how we did in
Okay.
case of your bar chart. For a single bar chart, we have created this, different styles bar chart. This is a very complex bar chart. Okay. Okay. That's all for today.
Okay.
Meet you tomorrow at the same
Yeah.
time. Thank you so much.
Thank you, sir.
Bye.
Thank you, sir.
thank you.
Have a
Yeah.
good day.
So meet you yeah. I'll confirm actually whether it would be tomorrow or Monday. Okay. I think everybody has
Sure.
my mobile number. I think Sumant you send me. Samily I have. Naveen, can you just text me your WhatsApp number? Just give me a text. Huh?
Yeah.
Yeah, sure. Thank you so much. I'll send you the recording.
Thank you, sir. Okay,
Bye.
sir. Thank you.
And keep on giving the feedbacks with the consultancy. Okay.
Yeah,
Yeah.
sure, sir.
Regarding Naveen, you can just give me a text. Huh? Just
Yeah. Yeah. I already sent.
text me a WhatsApp text message.
So
Okay.
till now we done data extraction or data modeling?
Yeah, we have done with data extraction and data modeling.
Okay.
If at all any new changes will be capturing, if at all any new requirement will be coming up to change the data model, we'll go back to the data model. I'll change something there. How do you go back to the data
Okay.
model? We will just go here and
Add new data.
no, not at data. Here we have the data sets. Or here we have to go. This is the data model. Edit data set. Okay.
Okay.
Any changes you want to
Okay.
do in the data model, anytime you can do. If you want 2 more tables you need to add, just add those tables plus click here and add the tables and make the relationship update data set. That's it.
Yeah, this is data modeling, right?
Data modeling. And
Okay.
extraction, you know how to connect with the data and extract the data to the front end.
Yeah.
Right?
Yeah.
Okay guys, thank you so much. Happy weekend.
So one second.
Yeah,
Also,
sure.
one second.
Sure.
Shamli, if you don't mind, can you send me your WhatsApp number, please? if you don't mind.
Yeah.
I'm asking.
Your name?
Hello? Shamli, if you don't mind, can you send me your WhatsApp number, please?
Your name, please.
My name is Suman,
Okay.
if you don't mind.
Okay. Okay.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Okay, so I will be communicating to you whether the session will be there tomorrow or on Monday. Okay, Monday means my Monday,
Sure.
your Sunday night.
Sunday, yeah, thank you.
Okay.
Okay. Probably session will be there tomorrow. If I'll get the confirmation from the consultancy, if not, then I will just confirm. Okay.
Okay. Okay.
Just ping me, sir.
Okay.
Thank you.
Sure. Thank you so much. Bye bye.